Hi everyone, this is Kavita from Identity First and I have Harish Goyal, the Senior Director with Publicis Group. Welcome Harish to the show. Delighted to have you today.
Thank you.
My first question is, what is the number one theme or buzzword you're hearing in the hallways today?
So it's everywhere AI. So
Right.
AI is a word which you will find, and I think that's a tagline of the conference as well.
omnipresent.
Yes,
Yes.
omnipresent as well. Like
Yes.
it's the AI. Everyone
Right.
is talking about AI.
Yes.
So that's a buzzword, new buzzword right now. It's in the market.
Oh, and you're also hearing that.
Yeah,
as
we are
if the
also
theme is
just to
there.
understand of that.
And tell us something about the lock picking thing.
Using your skill set, it's a hands-on new skill set where you use the picks to unlock the locks without
Okay.
using the keys. So it's interesting as well. It's about the passion. You have it in the security. So that's a part of the physical security or the cyber security.
Right.
If you want to go into the physical security, you can learn this thing. So we teach them for the basics. But yes, for the advanced and the expertise level, you have to practice yourself.
Right. Okay.
So we have the kits we ordered from out of the India. So it's not that easy or not that quality of the kits we get it in India. So we ordered from the out of India.
So made in India is not working
No,
here.
made in India is not working. So US, China, and all these places we
Right.
are ordering.
Okay.
And then we are just providing the kits to the participants here.
Okay.
And they practice. Hands-on practice we give
Right.
it. So it's
Right.
like a couple of hours session. Hands-on practice, they find it and they learn it. So basics they learn it, and then if they want, they get interested. So they
Right.
move it into the further into that passion as well.
And how important is this in terms significant today with the AI world and everything being
So it's a totally
Yes.
different. It's not about the AI and all because AI cannot walk into the physical security.
Absolutely.
Because physical security is all about you have to be present.
Yes.
So AI, until I can use the robots and the kind of a bots
Right,
which
right,
is
right.
physically present,
Right.
it's not there anything in the
Yes.
AI. So right now AI is all about into the operational part and
Right.
like the untangible part of areas.
Okay.
But once the AI will come into the tangible parts,
Right.
like the robots and all, then
Yes.
definitely we can have the AI into the lock picking or the physical security as well.
Yes. Absolutely. So this is something which will always stay.
Yes,
and
it will stay.
Yes, forever, as long as a human
Yes.
are there on earth.
Human,
Thank you.
as like human will stay,
Right, right.
so this will stay.
That's it. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Harish, for your time. All the best for this trip.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
that.
We look forward to meeting
Sure.
you more.
Thank you. Bye.